Dr. Dozie Kedife signed a disclaimer and ostracized Nnamdi Kanu in 2014, and it was published. The federal government was notified. The governments of different nations were notified. Even the United Nations was notified, because we have ECOSOC status with the United Nations. All of you were notified, even the press in Nigeria. But you refuse to let the public know the truth. The IPOB, the original IPOB, was created by the elders. The head of indigenous people of Biafra, the head is His Royal Majesty, His Lordship, the Honorable Justice Ezozobo, retired. He is the head. Then the deputy was Dr. Dozie Kedife, who just died a few months ago.